Hello, hi everybody. It is day 25 of studying math in every day, and it's another beautiful day. And today I will be doing two sessions. So yesterday we finished the practice function, the practice problems that I was working on the last 4 days, I believe. So still there is stuff is maybe that I didn't understand yet. Maybe I understood, but like I have to still know like, and I have to still keep in mind all of this different ways of solving the problem, like, and when to use like method X and when to use like method Y. So what I just mean is I have to keep in mind the stuff is that I have learned. Okay, maybe I finish it the practice problem is, but like still I have to go back and solve more problems, more problems for that, for that section. So today I'm about to start the new section. I don't know what it is. I didn't take a look at it yet, but I'm about to do it now, and hope today will be like an amazing day. Yeah, I had amazing days, to be honest, but like I hope this one will also be another amazing one, another like wonderful day. So let's stop yapping and let's start studying. Okay, so let's do it. Okay. Okay. System with subscripts. This is what we're gonna learn today. No? Feel me, you feel me, man? Okay. So okay. I'm gonna read it out loud. So system is what subscript is. In math and science, we may encounter a variable with a subscript, but we shouldn't let the subscript scare us. They are just a way to keep track of variables that could be related to each other in some way. What does a variable with a subscript look like? As an example, t with subscript 1, T1 and T2 and T3 are all variables with subscripts. They could represent three different measurements of time for the same experiment. We read them as time 1, time 2, and time 3. But it is shorter to write them with the subscripts instead of writing them out. Okay. Okay. Yes, fair enough. Okay, even though the variables can be related in some ways, that doesn't mean they have the same value. This means that if we are solving systems of equations that have variables with subscripts, we'll need to solve for each variable. Let's do a few examples so we can get comfortable with the idea. Use any method to find the unique solution to this system of equations. Use any method to find the unique solution of system equations. Okay, R1 and T1 equals to 500. Okay, R2 equals to 10R1. R2 and T2 equals to 800, and T2 equals to 4 minus T1. Let's come with a plan. We know how to solve it. We know how to solve a pair of equations into unknowns. So, okay, let's come with a plan. We know how to solve a pair of equations in two unknowns. Okay. So let's see if we can rewrite the third equation R2 and T2 equals to 800 as an equation in terms of the variables R1 and T1. So we can solve with a system that consists of that new equation and the first equation R1 and T1 equals to 500. I didn't get nothing. So use any method to find unique solution of the system of equations. So I got this. So R2 alone is just 10 R1. So R2 and R1 equals to 10. So this. I didn't get it. Okay. So let's see if we can rewrite the third equation, this one, as an equation in terms of the variable R1 and T1. So R1 and T1. Okay, so we can solve the system that consists of that new equation and the first equation. So since the second equation R2 equals to 10 R1 is already solved for R2, and the fourth equation T2 equals to 4 minus T1 is already solved for T2. Okay, we can substitute. Is it like substitute or substitute? How should I pronounce this? We can substitute the expression 10R1 and for negative T1, okay, and T2 respectively in the third equation, where is 10R, okay, T2, which is what? Where does 800 come from? Okay, why this sounds like confusing? Yeah, it sounds like confused, to be honest. Should I give up on the book and go to my lecture in organic chemistry, or should I keep reading? I didn't get anything, to be honest. It's a little bit confusing, you know? Okay, Mhm. Systems with subscripts. This is the system of equations that I know. System of subscripts? Systems with subscripts? Oh my gosh, this is kind of like, okay. Okay. I not bad. Okay, what are the two unknowns then? I'm looking for the two unknowns. So first one is, I think it is the T1, right? And it is R1. Those are the two unknowns, I believe. These are the two unknowns. That's what I think. I got R2 and I got T2. So I'm looking for R1 and T1. So yeah, let me see. Use this distribute property. And if everything it is for the R1. Okay. Yeah. what is he trying to find though? Like that's what I'm thinking about. Gonna find the R1, okay. Little bit crazy. Okay. So we can divide. So they're gonna, you know, isolate R1. That's what they are doing. So it is for R. Okay, RT1. Oh, the first equation RT1 is 500 is the value of RT1. 500. Okay. Value RT1 is 500. Wow. Okay, so if we substitute 500 for RT1 in the equation, which is found, we have it makes sense for R1 equals to 580 What? Wow, looks interesting to be honest. How did this came into the picture? How? How did we ended up this? And what are these values too? 16 and 29. Okay, so this is T2 and this is R1, right? Is that how it is? Or okay, so this is T2 and this is R2. Is that how it is? R2, okay. And also this one R1 and T1. Okay, R1 is 145 and 129, which is T1. Wow, this is crazy. It is what it is. So yo chat, what? HT and XT. So I'm looking for XT. So if I try to solve for HT, then it's be like this. HT equals to, what's even HT equals to? Is it like, I'm gonna bring 2x on the left side of the equation, which is 2xt, and then it is negative. So this one goes on the other side, which is minus ht minus 4. So I'm gonna divide both sides of the equation by minus 2. I think which is x t equals to will this be 2? I don't know. Yeah, maybe. So okay, so minus 2 times minus ht is 2ht, I believe. It is 2ht and these are subscripts too, like this is a subscript, not like another variable. So what about this one? Is okay, 2. Dude, this is just like, it's not a, This is not a, this is just HT. And then this is just like +4 also. Okay, this is what I have, XT. So this one. This one. We are going to say, what is this? Like HT equals to 1 divided by 3 XT plus, okay, we're gonna substitute, like we're gonna change this to that, which is like HT plus 4. So still plus which is also HT plus 4 this is just the same. Okay, so what if this HT goes to the other side? What's this a little bit confusing? I don't know. So I got 2 HTs. I'm gonna move HT on the other side, to be honest. That's what I'm going to do. So after that, I'm gonna move this HT on the other side. So I had HT right here. Then, so if it moves and goes on the other side, it will be minus and it will cancel out. That's not what we need. That's not what we need. That's not what we need, to be honest. It's not. It is totally not. Okay. Gonna go back. Oh. I don't know. Like I kind of don't know. Move this on that side and move this to the other side, and everything is just. It will just be 2. Okay, let me just see if xt equals to ht plus 4. That's okay. He's using here. Okay, here the expression on the left side of both equations is ht. So we can equate the expression on the right hand side. On the right hand side. Okay, so it is ht. Okay, he already used it the whole thing, so yeah, and he gonna solve for xt, right? Okay, I already have ht, so just like equate. Or you can just equate. So it will be, oh, I got the value. Okay, so it is 2x t minus 4 equals to 1 3x plus 3, and then move this on that side, which is equals to 2xt minus 1 divided by x plus 3, nope, minus 4 minus 4 equals to 3. So what about this one? What's the 3 and 2, which is 6? No, 3 and 1, which is 3. So 3. Okay, and after that they got an, like, the LCM is just 3, or maybe greatest common multiple. It is what? It is 3. So 3 times 1 is just 1, and 3, I mean it's 3, and 3 times 2 is equal to 6xt, and then 3 1 is just like, it is minus x, okay, equals to -4 3. So this one should go they both should go on the other side. Okay, so it would be 6xt. I cannot make a subscript. I cannot put it all the way right there because, like, I'm using the mouse, right? It's kind of a little bit hard for me, but like xt is just like, t is the sub, what it's called, I forgot this. It is the subscript of x, by the way. Okay, so they're both gonna be what? They're both gonna be positive. So it is positive x and positive 4, which makes the whole equation 6xt equals to x plus 7, and then divided by 6 on this side and divided by 6 on that side. So xt x t equals to x plus 7 divided by 6. I don't know. No, is it just like the way that I solved the problem? So this and this, they can just like, you know. Wait up. Let's move this side. Okay. Focus on 1. Wait up. So it will still have the 3. How it is. This is just crazy. You cannot use it at all, to be honest. So yeah. 5-3, they're gonna rid off the 5-3. That's why they are using this. So yeah. That is what it is, man. So has this I think rational exponent is still kinda a little bit difficult for me. Yeah, for sure. But yeah. I think I can get the idea right. So let me do the practice problems. All right. I think I can do it. Yes. So dude. Oh my gosh. Mhm. How can I spell it? Yeah. When I spell it the tab.
Welcome to your 60-second tech tip. Soft edge. Inside a browser, the ellipse at the top, and
Hey, thank you so much. So what I need is R M and also T M equals to 200 equals to 5 R M R B and T B equals to 500 P B equals to 3 minus T M. Okay. So what's next? So let me get the R B and T B P equals to 500. Let me get this one, and then RB equals to 5 RM. What about TP equals to 3 minus TM? So what 500? So it will be 15 RM and also five RMTM. Is that how it be? It's just like crazy. Okay, not that bad. Minus 5 RMTM equals to 500. So So I'm gonna factor this part of the equation. I'm gonna move 3, no 5, 5 rm. There will be just like 3, and what else? 3 and 5 rm and minus tm equals to 500, like divide both sides by 5 rm and rm. They will cancel, so it is 3 minus tm equals to equals to okay. I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna remove this part, and I'm gonna say negative tm equals to 505 rm negative 3. Right. So in here, like minus tm equals to only this one alone is just like way too long. Oh my gosh. So I got the TM and I don't even know if the answer is right. It's just like there's no way that you can know. Like is it just like I'm saying TM all the time? Yeah, TM. So I got the TM. Oh, let me find the maybe RM. So I'm gonna plug it in right there. I'm gonna say RM and TM is equal to 291. So RM M, which is 101 minus 3 RM divided by 1 equals to 201. So yeah. So I'm gonna take 10 minutes of break and I'll be back. I don't know why it's changing though. And also there is something that I noticed. I think fractionists are so hard for me. Like fractionists are so difficult for me at this point. Like maybe at least I have to take a lesson that I'm going to study only fractions, how to deal with fractions, right? Even like when I was dealing with rational equations, like they were hard because like maybe I didn't have that much of deep understanding of fractions. So what I'm planning to do at this point is to focus on fractions more. So maybe this type of like problem is like the problem is those are related to the fractions or maybe rationals will be a lot simpler to me after I cover like fractions alone. I did before like back in algebra 1 and algebra maybe, but like I think it is something that I noticed, like that I'm noticing. So I'm about to go and just like review it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, not even review it, but like take an actual lesson that goes deep dive into the thing. So yeah. Yo chat, what about my cat though? It looks fresh, right? It looks fresh. So yeah, I'm just like gonna get up and then move my body a little bit and then come back. That's what I will do. Okay. I think I messed something up right here, somewhere around here, man. I'm skeptical about this step, to be honest. Okay, I'm really skeptical about it. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm not good at fractions at this point. That is something that I have recognized. I so
In this lesson, you will learn. So, all right.
looks like I'm kinda right. Maybe. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but like I'm gonna keep doing it. So this is Hydron RM minus 3 R M square 200. Divide both sides by what? So this will be RM Okay. I think I'm already wrong because like the value of TM not a, like even I'm already wrong somewhere in here. Hmm. Okay, so okay, I found the problem. Okay, which is where I did wrong for sure, which is 15 rm minus 5 rmtm, which is 200. It's 200. I think this is 1,000, right? A thousand for sure. It is 1,000. So this is 15 rm minus 1,000. What is 500? 15. Oh, nope. I'm not gonna do this. So 15 rm equals to, I think it is 1,500, and then divided by 15 and divided by 15. So rm equals to 1,500 divided by 15 is it is 100. So this is literally 100. Okay, it makes sense. So now I'm about to get the TM. Why not? So I'm about to say RM TM 200. So this is 100 TM 200, and then this is 100 TM. What is 200? So 100 divided by 200 is equal to 20, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I think it is 20. So 20 times 10 is 200. So yeah, TM also equals to that. So now, okay, I'm going to divide this by 100. So it is 2, I believe, then right up. So 200 divided by 100, which is 2. Okay. Zero. So the TM is just gonna look for the RB and the TB. Okay, so RB equals to 5 RM equals to 5. The value of RM is 100. So this equals to 500. So Well, what about the TP? TP equals to 3 minus PM 3 minus 2, which is just 1. So by the way, this is what I have. RM and TM. I got like RM, I got 100, I got 2, and then the other way, RP and TP, I got what, 501. So any choice that satisfies my answer. Okay, I think it is the A. A literally satisfies my answer. So RMTM is 102 and 101. It took me a lot of time, but like, yeah, finally I did it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is literally pain in the ass, man. So yeah, that's the problem. I've seen this before. Like I'm saying, I've seen this one before. So yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna solve this one. So this one literally looks like what it's called the normal system of equation is that I know, and I can even use like what it's called, like the method, I think. Hoyo. I was talking to my mom. So yeah, this one like it is 3a 3ra minus rb equals to 15, and 2RA positive RB equals to 5. So what I can do is these two will cancel, and this will be 5RA equals to 20. So, and then 5 and 5, which is RA equals to 4. And then I can use one of these equations, I think, and I'm gonna use like which one is simple. Yeah, I'm gonna use the second one with the 2. So 2RA plus RB equals to 5, 2 4 plus RB equals to 5. So this is 8. Okay, it is. Leave RB right here. Okay, and this is 8, but like it will take minus, so it will be positive 5 minus or negative 8. So RB equals to negative 3. So I'm gonna series to see. Oh, is it right or wrong? Yes, it is right. Okay. So I got this one. Okay. Wait up. Yo, chat. Wait a minute. I think I'm running out of space. Okay. 19 GB only, free of 930. It's like there's a lot of videos on my PC. You guys cannot see, but like, yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, it is fine, I think. Maybe I can't delete one video, but I can if I go to the recycle bin. What up? So Bill. This one. Solve for C. Okay, solve for CP. Okay. Solve this system for CP. Okay. 7CP plus 4CV equals to 2. Okay. So I'm gonna use this like system of eliminations. So yeah, or first let me ask like how to say I think so yeah, okay. So we're gonna use elimination method. So let's see. I got 7 CP plus 4 CV. Z. Oh my gosh. What's going on? CV V, I mean. Okay, 2. Okay, minus 14 CP minus 12 VB equals to negative 20. So by the way, I'm gonna multiply like this part of the on this equation like by 3 just to get minus positive 14 CV. So 3, so it will be 21 CP plus 12 CV equals to 6 and minus 14 CP negative 12 CV equals to negative 20. So they will cancel. This will be what? Is it 7? I'm not sure. Yes, it is 7, I believe. So yeah, let's do positive 7 CP equals to I think negative 14. So in this case, I'm gonna multiply this side. Also, you guys should keep in mind this is just 14. So this is CP equals to minus 4, right? So let me just see if I'm right. Yes, I'm right. So yeah, I did 3 out of 3. Well, I wasn't expecting it, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it. Oh yeah, it is amazing. But like it took me some time to understand. That's like there is something that I know. Like there is something that I know. It is just like I can learn something new, but what I believe is like I'm not like quick learner, right? I'm not like quick learner. I cannot learn something fast. Like learning something gonna take me some time, and I don't know like if it would take somebody else less than that it took me, or if I'm just like normal and mediocre. It's just like I don't know. But like what I believe about myself is just like learning new stuff takes me a lot, takes me more time, right, to grasp or maybe to get hang of it, right? So yeah, it's just like, yeah, that's how my brain maybe works. And I'm not happy with that, to be honest. Like I think it is fine, you know, it is fine as long as you gonna work hard till you're gonna understand that thing. But I would like and I would love to like understand stuff is a lot quicker than this. So I'm not regretting. It is not something that I can maybe manage it like, and I don't know if I can change something about it. Like I have no idea. I'm not good at like, you know, how our brain is working and all of that. But maybe I'm more to watch some videos on YouTube just to know if this is like, you know, if it is something that can be diagnosed. So yeah, maybe I'm over to like end this session right here. And yes, it was day 25. I wasn't expecting that I'm gonna hit one day 25, you know. So it is day 25 of studying Martin every day. And yeah, it was another amazing day and another beautiful day. And I hope I will wake up tomorrow with well-being and with healthy. So I will be like studying another topic tomorrow, and hope everything will be just all right tomorrow, inshallah, if God wills. So see you all